Here's a revenue-based loan. These loans are for small business owners based upon revenue. Credit doesn't matter. You can have a bankruptcy, you can have low scores, doesn't really matter. All they care about is bank statements. If you can verify at least 8,000 to 9,000 plus income every month, then more than likely you'll be approved for the loan. I mean, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. A revenue-based loan. Now, the more money you make, the more money you can get. If you make 20,000, 30,000 a month, you get a bigger loan. It's just that simple. If you can supply bank statements verifying your monthly revenue for at least 4 to 6 months, sometimes 7, sometimes 4 months, depending upon the amount of the revenue, then you probably will be approved for the loan. It's a simple process. 2-day funding up to $100,000. Again, the more revenue you make, the higher loan amount you'll get. Credit's not a factor. As a matter of fact, it's a soft pull when you apply for the loan. There's no credit hit or ding to your credit score. Again, if your credit score is low or you have a bankruptcy, it doesn't matter. All you need to do is verify your revenue of your business with bank statements. Anyway, call for details or go to our website. You can apply online. It takes about 5 minutes. Again, it's a soft pull. You have approval probably within 2 hours, funding in about 2 days. So call for details, 202-213-2218, or go to our website at loan57.com. That's loan, LOAN 57.com. Thank you.